ABC Sports presents A Winning Never Gets Old Bowling Tip, sponsored by Choice Hotels International. Here's bowling great Dick Weather.
One of the problems that we may have as we get older is the lack of power to crank the ball to give us that strong finish as the ball approaches the pins. With us today is John Handigard, Senior Player of the Year in 1991. John, what recommendations do you have to overcome that problem?
Well, there's top weight in a ball, and it's marked by this label. And by drilling over that, or left or right, you can create different rolls on the ball. This first one is drilled dead center over the label, gives you a nice even arc on the back. This one is drilled left where the top weight is offset, and you get a more dramatic hook on the back end. Now, if you throw too much hook, you might try this. Put the label near your track on the negative side. That will mellow it out quite a bit.
Well, thank you, John. So as you can see, we can adjust our equipment to fit our needs. Your local pro shop can definitely help you because winning never gets old.
Look for more ABC Sports winning